Welcome back to Little Bits of Everything. Subscribe, turn on notifications so you never miss a video. Hoorah!
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I am showing you the items that I found over a weekend. This vanity, this dresser, and there's the doors. All of this was on the side of the road. This table, it did not have glass, but I have a plan for that. These side tables as well, and this dresser. And it was a busy weekend. There was just so much stuff. This entertainment center, and I'm telling you, there was truckloads. This is the second truckload. The third one, I even had to stuff stuff inside my truck. The fourth and the last load. Some good finds. Thanks for watching.